morning, everybody. We are here. It is a beautiful day outside today. Currently 86 degrees, mostly sunny, looking very good. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro? How you doing, man? Chris, what's going on, Chris? CD Wick, good morning to you. Chris, Dark Bro, and Mr. Brian. Good morning to everybody out there. Let's check the market out, see what is happening today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. That is not right. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.30 right now. It is down 3.04% on the day today. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at $7.40. It is down 3% on the day today. We got GameStop sitting in the bottom right-hand side, sitting at $23.95. It is down 3% today. And we've got Bitcoin sitting in the bottom left. It is down 1% today. 30,340 on Bitcoin. Still not a bad level, though. Above that $30,000 mark. Just does not want to reclaim 30,600. I have no idea why. We almost wicked up again. We were up, came right back down, and now down below that 30,600 point once more. So, for some reason, Bitcoin having a very, very difficult time. Let's see here. Currently, NASDAQ sitting 0.27% lower, 13,777. Ooh, 777. Somebody hit the jackpot. AMC 304. GameStop 23.95. Dogecoin 6.6 cents. Ethereum 1900. Shiba Inu coin 741. Bitcoin 30,368. Mullen Auto. Mullen Auto actually looking good for the moment, guys. Mullen Auto is sitting at 1304, 29% higher. The question is this gain sustainable? I'm going to say no. Mullen Auto's gains never seem to be sustainable, but a beautiful 30% move higher. If you guys are in it, if you're making money right now, oh my gosh, Kenneth, man, you might want to take advantage of it. Sundial sitting at $1.42. Spy sitting at $4.43. BBIG $1.30. Highcroft Mining sitting at 31.8 cents. Netflix sitting at $4.41. QQQ $3.69. We have got Ape sitting at $1.79. MPW $9.66. Tesla $2 or 200. My gosh, 278.26 right now, bouncing off 277.60. Puts would have done pretty well this morning after a nice little run up there. Bouncing lower, bouncing lower, bouncing lower, bouncing lower. Guess what it might do here? Bouncing lower. We'll see. Innovix 1912, man. J-Bones is rich, dude. Look at this. But J-Bones, you're about to break through this $19, $20 level of resistance here and possibly shoot up to your $30 mark. Oh my gosh, dude. PID sitting at 1805 and Joby up nice on the day today. 1069 for a gain of 4.5%. Gorilla Invictus letting that profit ride, man. Everything looking good for everybody right now. I like it, guys. Good morning. Good going. Going good, bro. How was your fourth? Dark Bro. The fourth was actually well. I don't know if you're talking to me or somebody else, but the fourth was nice, dude. Very, very relaxing day yesterday. Nick F, good morning to you. Hola, bros. What's going on, Jennifer? Hola to you. I beg to differ, Dark Bro. I'm first. Check out the Discord. Post the proof, baby. Posted the proof. Mr. Brian, no Photoshop now. Come on, what are you doing with that Photoshop? Sub, bros? J-Bones, man. It's good to be in the presence of a rich man. J-Bones is absolutely killing it in his Innovix trade, man. Innovix is up big today after being up big for the last, several months. Innovix is killing it. I love it, J-Bones. Let's see here. Okay. Good on that one. Jabroski. Oh, yes. I don't even know how to do that. Mr. Brian. Yeah, you know how to do that, man. Everybody's good at some degree of Photoshop. Whether you're good at it or bad at it, you know how to do it. Come on. Chris says, Clay, your timer's slacking, causing me to slack. Chris, never let another man cause you to slack, dude. If I'm slacking, don't be slacking alongside of me. Nonetheless, though, my timer was not slacking today, man. My timer was doing very well. The thing is, I think that I'm not multi-streaming today. So there's a very good chance that I may not be multi-streaming anymore. I tried to multi-stream the last time we went live, and it did not work. It was causing a bunch of problems. So I might just come back and only do only do YouTube here. Might not try to hold up with YouTube and Twitch. Wasn't really gaining any traction on Twitch anyway, so not a terrible decision to stop doing that. It's just for some reason Streamlabs did not want to go through with multi-streaming, and yeah, so here we are streaming simply on YouTube. Hello guys, Precise Audio Blog. Good morning to you, Precise Audio Blog. Glad to have you. I do want to say, I know there's only 21 people in here right now. I don't know if Bronson is in here or not, but that test transaction that I did with, or the test transfer that I did with funds on Voyager finally went through. So it took a little over a week to get through, but nonetheless, it did end up transferring. So probably going to just go ahead and get the rest of my funds off of Voyager now. So anybody out there that either initiated their transfer or is thinking about getting their cryptocurrency off of the Voyager platform, mine took, it was a little over a week, but I started it on, it was a Saturday or Sunday, I think, when I started it. And then it finished, I don't know exactly what day it finished. I think it was either yesterday or the day before. But, so it took an entire business week. Let's just put it that way. It took an entire business week to finish that transfer. So if you guys are looking at doing it, just know that it might take an entire week for that transfer to take place and finally get approved and all of that. I do not know why it is taking so long for Voyager to approve these transactions, but just in case you go to initiate it and you're like, what the heck is taking so long? It took a little over a week for mine to finally go through, but it did go through. Mr. Brian, no Photoshop, saw that already. Got it. What's up, Hemi Life? How are you doing, Hemi Life? Guys, you know what I want to check? I wanted to go out and check Pepe 2.0. Because Pepe 2.0, it fell pretty hard the other day, but it's back up, man. So I know people might be coming in here and talking a little bit about it today. So just so we get a little bit of a heads up, Pepe 2.0 was up earlier, and I'll show you. Whoa, man, come on now. Why would that fall like that? Don't. Ridiculous. All right, let's see here. Pepe 2.0. Pepe 2.0 up 21% on the day today. $34 million market cap. It was at a $40 million market cap when I looked earlier. So it is back above the level that we were seeing when we first looked at it. But it was up it was up about 30% to a $40 million market cap earlier today. Back down a little bit right now, showing some heavy volatility. Another one I want to put on your guys' radar, just in case you don't follow, the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team as much as I do, heavily promoting bad idea AI right now. I don't like that they're promoting it, but they are. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a coin that may get a lot of attraction because of Satoshi and because of that Lucy that is out there in the marketing team for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, it was like 40%, maybe 50%, like 45%. It wasn't over 50. Like 40 to 45% of their tweets are about bad idea AI. So they are heavily promoting this coin. They're probably sitting on some very nice bags and getting paid to promote it. But nonetheless, $16 million market cap. It does have the potential to do very well. And as you can see, it has been growing steadily since the beginning of June. So it's been out for a little over a month. Going on, about a month and a half. So it's been out for about 6 weeks. It's had some nice spikes up, coming back down, but has really been growing nice and steady since the beginning of June here, where it's gone from 21, about 15x in price. So going from these levels down here, actually even more, nearly 20x. Is that a 20x? Yeah. Nearly 20x in value since the beginning of June. So keep that in mind, that it is already up heavy since the beginning of June. But it's up heavy like that because it's getting a lot of attention from the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. I do not own any of this at the moment. Wouldn't necessarily be opposed to it, but the only reason I would get in is if I'm trying to take advantage of Satoshi's reach and Lucy's reach there, because people are buying it because they're buying it. So I wanted to bring Bad Idea AI to your guys' attention as well. Let's see. Coin sale. Let's check it out, Dark Bro. Smash the like. Listen to Mr. Brian and smash that like button. Loving Pepe. Very nice. Jennifer, good morning from Hawaii. Aloha. Kakahiyaka. Robert, man. Nice and early for you in Hawaii. Aloha to you as well. Could Pepe bowl with 2024 elections? Yes. I mean, it could. It could. Precise Audio Blog. So that is a possibility that you get some nice increases in Pepe as well during 2024 elections, if, of course, Republicans are doing well, or specifically if Trump is doing well during the 2024 elections. So, yes, that is a possibility. What do you think of WSM pre-sale? I'll try to look at it here in a second. I got to look up coin sale first. So, we're going to check out coin... Nope, not coin ale. Coin sale. Coin sale. Obviously, the other one. Coin sale token. Which one is it? Dark Bro. It doesn't show me any. Look. That one doesn't have any data, and this one doesn't have any data. So, I don't know if this is like a brand new coin or what the deal is on coin sale, but we're going to have to look at that in a different location if you want me to look at that in a different location. So, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Dark Bro, man. We can look at it in a different spot if you want to pull it up maybe on, I don't know if Dex Tools has it or not, but we can pull it up somewhere if you want. Let's see. Bad Idea can be bought on what platform? Jennifer, Bad Idea can be purchased through Uniswap. Yeah, so let's just look at that. So you get a little bit better of an idea of where you can find these tokens if you want. But Jennifer, if you want to check them out, and you see these coins, okay, and you see it on CoinMarketCap here, one of the ways that you can find where you can buy it, simply scroll down to the bottom, okay? See all markets. I guarantee that shows all markets already. But you can get it on Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Shiba Swap. Dude, here's the thing, okay? I might not like something. I might not agree with something. You guys might be the same way, but it does not mean that you can't make money off of it, okay? I don't like the idea that I truly feel like the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is abandoning Shib. And they are simply building up an ecosystem and using their Twitter reach to pump cryptocurrencies. I think that that's what they're doing here with Bad AI. And I don't like that, because I believe that they should have some sort of a loyalty to the Shiba Inu coin holders that made their existence even possible. But does not mean that you can't make money on Bad AI if they continue to promote it. So right now, Bad has done very well over the last month. It is 20x'd in value because these people have been talking about it. With a $16 million market cap, it still has a lot of potential. I mean, you're what? 6-7xing until you get up to a $100 million market cap. So you still got some potential to make some decent money there. Of course, it can fall back down, but you can buy it on these three locations. You can get it on Uniswap, SushiSwap, and or Shiba Swap if you would like to. Now, I'm going to come back to the graph page, but you can always find where you can buy these coins on CoinMarketCap. So if you want to check it out on CoinMarketCap, Uniswap doing the most volume, SushiSwap right behind it, and Shiba Swap only doing $9,000 worth of volume. So those three locations are selling Bad AI, and I'm not surprised to see Shiba Swap having Bad AI listed. So they're heavily promoting that coin right now. First one, coin sale token. My gosh, there goes my allergies. Starting to sniffle already. Try CryptoRank.io. Is that a token, or is that where you want me to look at the price of coin sale? Hey, I'm looking for Volante. What's your thoughts, and where can I buy it? Mr. Brian, let's check it out. And then CryptoRank.io. Is that where you want me to look, or is that with a coin? Let me see. Mr. Brian, is this what you're talking about? I don't know if this is what you're talking about or not. I don't see VOLANTE showing up anywhere. And I don't even see a graph for this coin right here. You guys are coming up with some interesting ones today. I don't know if that's the one you're talking about or not. Either that or coin. You guys are either finding coins before they come out, or Coinbase is getting a little slow right now. All right. What's going on, MBN? How you doing? No. Mr. Brian says, no, that is not it. Yeah, I don't know then, because Volante is not coming up there. What is he saying? CryptoRank.io. Where we go? What is this? Go plus last. We got this. CryptoRank.io. What do we got here? CryptoRank.io. Not con sale. Coin sale, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check it out right here. Coin sale sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 1-1, down 16% on the day today. Falling pretty hard very quickly there. Let's see where we got our statistics, if we can find our market cap and all that stuff. Market cap is unknown. That is interesting that the market cap is unknown. Only $1,000 traded over the last 24 hours. So it's a very, very low traded coin. And that is why you can see this is basically a $1,000 sale. So 24-hour volume, you can see is only $22. And then somebody came in and sold, $1,000 worth and tanked the price. So $1,000 dropped the price by about 16%. If you go in there and somebody buys $1,000 worth, you are most likely going to go back up to about 13 points per coin from that 11 points per coin. So you could see a nice jump up in value if somebody does end up buying $1,000 worth there. It could be very beneficial. I do not know why it has come down so far in value since April. I don't know if it's continued to be diluted, if people have just stopped trading it or what. But this coin has done nothing but go down since its introduction. And I'm sure it's got a very, very low market cap. If $1,000 was able to drop the price as low as it did there. So just watch out for that, Dark Bro. A very small amount of money could make it go up. Very small amount of money can absolutely make it go down. I don't like half this crap, but supposedly everything has a massive following, but can't seem to do anything. And if you want to get into something, it's too late because everyone made their profit. Or you were lucky enough to hop in before the longest bear market ever. Gotta love still cutting other people's yards in this freaking heat. Chris, man, you are right to a certain degree. Let me tell you this, okay? Yes, it is very difficult to see anything go up major right now unless it's got a very, very low market cap and it's just seeking some hype and some attention. Why, dude? The amount of money that it takes to move these prices higher, it is insane. Okay, when you're talking about $1 billion company, if you really want to see it increase in value by 10%, you need $100 million to flow into it, and that's just a 10% increase. Everybody wants 20, 40, 80, 100, 200% increases, more and more and more, and 10% gains are almost laughed at. So it does take a lot of money. And something like Shiba Inu coin, dude. Shiba Inu coin sitting on nearly a $4 to $5 billion valuation. Even to double in price, okay? Now, doubling in price only gets you back to about a 1,400 point per coin level. 1,400 points per coin is still very low on Shiba Inu coin. But you need to find $4 billion to flow into Shiba Inu coin at that point. Where do we get that kind of money to flow into the cryptocurrency market? So it does take a lot of money to see these projects go up in value. Now, Bad AI is obviously a little bit more expensive than that coin that Dark Bro just showed us. But that coin that Dark Bro just showed us, extremely small market cap. I don't even know if it's $100,000 market cap, but $1,000 sale tanked the price by about 16%. So that goes to show you that some of these little like lottery ticket plays, because they have such low market caps, they are much, much easier to manipulate. And I say manipulate because if you go out there, you make $1,000 purchase, people get all excited because it's up 20% in value. They begin to buy in, and you use them as your exit liquidity. So you could easily manipulate the prices of those coins. But when it comes to stocks, when it comes to major cryptos, it's very difficult to see some gains because you do need a lot of money. Pepe 2.0, here we go again. Jay Garcia, yeah, Pepe 2.0 back up to a $34, I believe, $million market cap at the moment. Was touching $40 million earlier today. But hey, you keep saving and saving the peanuts you're making, and one day it may or may not work out. No, Chris, it will work out. If you have a long-term approach, right, and if you keep saving and if you keep stacking, you can easily see that stacking is a guaranteed win. And one of the ways you can do that, dude, just go to Google future value calculator and put in some even low numbers, man. If you're able to stack $100 a month, $200 a month, and just invest it at maybe a 1% weekly return, which you can do, dude. You can do 1% weekly return selling some pretty secure and I'd say pretty stable stock options. You can make that 1% weekly gain. So yeah, dude, you can almost guarantee that you've got those gains, even if you're currently stacking peanuts. Posted the website on the Discord chat, in the supporter chat, Mr. Brian. Oh, Volante's website. All right, I'll pull that up. You know what? I'm not logged into the Discord right now. I gotta reopen. I didn't log back in after I lost power, I think Monday morning. So something I couldn't believe yesterday. I tried to make a trade on the Ethereum network, and the gas fee was $18,000. Dude, that just sounds impossible, Dark Bro. That sounds impossible. Look at what you're saying, but after being outside all morning, then seeing Matt talk about the chick that made $2,000 for sleeping, I'm not in the mood for being optimistic. I don't know who Matt was talking about making $2,000. But let me say this, dude. You don't want creepy dudes watching you sleep. And in the only way a girl is going to make $2,000 by sleeping is because she's got a bunch of very weird guys watching her sleep. And dude, no, man. You don't want that kind of money. Let me tell you this, Chris, if you get a following, there probably would be people who want to watch you sleep as well. But those are very weird people, man. Those are the kind of people who actually will show up on your doorstep, who will knock on your door, who will try to sneak into bed with you, man, and tickle your toes while you're out cold. Don't get involved with that kind of stuff. We've been doing a video on DWAC this week. If the merger goes through with Truth Social, we could see another crazy run. A lot of people don't think it'll happen, but Trump doesn't give up on stuff. You know what? CT, we buy homes. I was watching DWAC this morning. DWAC was up about, I think, like 23, maybe closer to 30%. It was I believe it was in the $15 range from the $12 range. Dropped back down to the 13s. I don't know where it's at right now. We can pull up DWAC. Yeah, so what ended up happening with DWAC is that the SEC settled with whoever's issuing DWAC here. They had some charges against them for insider trading. The DWAC guys are going to have to pay $18 million to settle the suit. And because of that, because the suit could be settled here and the merger between Truth Social and whatever digital world company could go through, people are getting excited about it. So let's just point this out, though. It did reach a pretty strong level of resistance here in this $15 range. Came up, tapped it here in March, came up, couldn't break through in April, came up, did the same thing, and retreated here. So please be aware that it's not necessarily seeing the same type of craze that it saw back here. This was insane, okay? When this announcement was made back in 2021, this was insane. It was a 2-day run from $9, or $10 being a spec, to $175 per share. So please be aware that that's not the same type of just mass enthusiasm that we've seen in the past. And we're currently down here at this $14.16 mark. Can it rise from here? Absolutely. It can go up. Do I think it's got a better chance when people start covering campaigns again? Yes, I think it's got a better chance maybe next year than it does this year. But, you might need to end up getting into it in this area that we're in right now if you want to be in, near some lows and take advantage. I highly doubt that I do a video on it, but that's the news that's driving it higher today, is that settlement for $18 million is out there. When it's paid, Truth Social can be public. Loving Pepe 2.0. I'm in at 0.023. I am way up now. Kenneth, very nice, man. Let's check out where Pepe 2.0 is. Pepe 2.0 sporting a $31, I believe, million market cap, or $34 million market cap. It is... Wow, this just jumped in the last couple of minutes. Wasn't this just at $34 million when we looked at this like 5 minutes ago? Wow. So, yes, jumping up nicely here. Going from this level, it's 0.02, whatever, where Kenneth says he is in, all the way up to here. Very, very nice gains. So, bouncing up nicely to the $41 million market cap, and I swear that is up $6-7 million from where we were just a couple of minutes ago. I mean, it could be true, because didn't we just look at it right here? Coming back down a little bit, 42% gain on the day, though, guys. Yes, Pepe 2.0 is doing very nice today. Kenneth's making some money. Putting this out there for everybody to be careful with Trust Wallet. I had not logged into my Trust Wallet in a few days and found 2 days ago $3,000 of Shib was transferred out of my account. Dude, how the heck did that happen? How did somebody just steal $3,000 out of your Trust Wallet? Kenneth, that's pretty intense, man. I know it sounded impossible, but that's what it said. I don't like Ethereum anymore. That's robbery. Dude, $18,000 gas. Yes, that does sound impossible. And yes, that would absolutely be robbery if somebody was able to get $18,000 in gas from you. Will Luke ever get back above 1 cent? Razi, excellent question. And my best guess is that is not going to be easy at all, but also not impossible. So the 1 cent mark takes you to that $60 billion valuation. $60 billion is where Terra Luna Classic and USTC were before the DPEG event. So when it was at its prime, Terra Luna Classic and USTC were worth about $60 billion. I think Lunk was worth $40 billion and USTC might have been about $20 billion or something. But it's still in that ballpark. Now, if you're asking if it's going to breach those levels again, I don't see why it couldn't during a bull market and as it's viewed as a legitimate blockchain. It's going to take a lot of work, though. So the risk that I believe you run if you're expecting Terra Luna Classic to be successful is that the developers walk away. I believe these developers will walk away the moment the community pool dries up. The sad thing is, okay, if Terra Luna Classic continues trading, as the community pool builds itself back up, one of two things is going to happen, man. These developers are just going to come back, act like they never left, and look for a paycheck, or the developers are just going to make new Twitter accounts and make new avatars, since nobody knows who these people are, where they are, what work they're doing, and so on. They'll just make up new stupid names on Twitter. And then instead of being faffy, maybe they'll be laughy. And they'll come back and they'll look for more money. Instead of being Superman, they might be the Flash. And they'll come back looking for more money. So I think that the biggest risk we have right now in the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is that the developers leave us high and dry. After being poor for 28 years, and now hearing that golfers talk about their $500 million... Hold on, man. I thought I had a bug down there. Golfers talking about their $500 million signing bonus for the Saudi Arabia Golf. Money is money. I don't care if it's weird money, dumb money, or blood money. I just want the money. No, I agree, man. I agree. $500 million for a signing bonus for Saudi Arabian golf tournament or whatever we're talking about here. That's insane. I'll tell you this, though, Chris. I'll tell you this. You do not need, okay? Never think that you need $500 million. Those guys that have $500 million, they don't spend it. And this is the sad part. They either spend it on things that are absolute wastes, or they find themselves, well, I don't even know if this is going to be like a bad hit on YouTube or whatever, but they find themselves buying drugs. Okay, that's why you see so many celebrities and so many of these like rich Wall Street dudes that are literally out of their mind, because they are. There's a such thing as too much money. Okay, $500 million, you don't need it, dude. I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you just stack and save and focus on your future, the money will come. And then you're gonna realize, this is the part too. Then you're going to start to realize that money really is just a number. Look, would I think it would be cool to have a brand new Super Snake Mustang in my garage right now? Absolutely. It would be cool to go out. But what's the difference, really, besides the way that I might feel about myself driving down the road if I could rev the engine and hear a turbo under the hood? Or driving down the road in my Kia Forte, which I know is going to be a reliable car. Every time I get in it, it starts. Every time I get in it, it takes me where I want to go. I'm going to tell you this, guys, right now, okay? I don't know if it's like a Sigma personality or what, but I don't care if I impress you. I really do not, man. I am confident in who I am. I am confident in what I do and what I know. I really do not care to impress anybody else or show off to anybody else. It does nothing for me. So some of these guys that go out there and they make their $500 million paycheck and they go out there and they buy a $2 million Bugatti. I don't know. It might be nice. It might feel cool for a little while to rev that engine. But who are you trying to impress, man? Who are you trying to impress? When you've got everything that you want, Chris, and you realize that your future is yours and you make the decisions for your life, that is what you should strive for. Not how expensive of a car can I get. How much. I was looking at houses yesterday. I was looking at houses on Zillow. And some of these houses, dude, people buy them or people get into them and then the prices begin to appreciate. The taxes alone become insane. What do you need 40 rooms in your house for if you're only sitting in one of them? I mean, it's a very good question. Why would you want to pay the government $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a year in property taxes when you can only sit in one room and enjoy one room? I don't know, man. Some people, they get a different mentality than I do. Don't know. Copy the hash transactions and open a stolen ticket, and then they transferred my Shib, Bambi, Dogelon, Baby Doge, and Bambi. My Shib alone was over $3,000. My gosh. Kenneth, dude, I have no idea how they get into your wallet, but that is nuts. Pepe 2.0 was at $6 million when I got in. Kenneth, didn't you get in at $30 million, and then it dropped back down, and then you might have got in at $6 million again? I thought you got in that first day, and then when they went down to like 20 million or something. I got in on Friday. I'm way up from my entry point. Jay Garcia, very nice, guys. Making money in Pepe 2.0. I love it. I need to be in Bitcoin. I'm in to run because everything on Ethereum network is running like crazy. It can BNB, get some love. Yes, guys, somebody buy some BNB coins and help Dark Bro out. Lisbon, howdy, bros. What's going on, Lisbon? How you doing? Focusing on my future. Only got Lunk I bought a year ago during the crash. There you go, Lisbon. I hope it hits for you, man. Only thing I want is an outdoor grilling station. Once I have that, boom, baby, I am good. Dark Bro, nice. Let's get that outdoor kitchen for Dark Bro, man. Clicked on the wallet where my Shib and others were transferred to. Had 1.9 million in Shib in the wallet. Interesting. So you're saying some multi-millionaire is out there hacking people's wallets and accumulating $1.9 million worth of cryptocurrency. Dude, if he ripped $1.9 million off people, I mean, he's good for the rest of his life. I would like to be as close as possible to debt-free. Jennifer, you will get there. If that's your goal, I'm going to tell you right now, being debt-free absolutely changes the game for you. I don't care to have all the luxury crap. Tired of hearing money doesn't buy happiness. I buy everybody. But the people that have true freedom for most things have all the money. Yeah, they do end up very, very often, okay? Not everybody, right? Here's what this study show you, Chris, and you can look into this. $72,000 a year annual income. $72,000 a year annual income is the peak happiness level. After that, the happiness curve begins to taper off. So, and I've looked into these numbers before, but if you make $72,000 a year, you guys might be making more than that, you guys might be making less than that. But an income of $72,000 a year is almost exponential growth up to that level. And beyond that, it begins to taper off. More money, more problems is true in a sense, but I do see what you're saying. What you don't want to have happen, though, is instead of the pursuit of happiness, let me put it this way, man. Follow your passion instead of following the money. Okay, now it just so happens that I am very passionate, right, about finance, which is a weird combination because it almost seems as though you're following the money. But when you are doing something that you enjoy, yes, it is very nice that you can make money in it, but you are almost guaranteed to make money in it if you follow what you're passionate about. Like the dude, the tortilla guy, he's a great example in here. I can almost guarantee you, if that dude loves making tortillas, if that's what he's passionate about, he is going to be the best tortilla maker in town. People will end up coming to him for their tortillas. He might not get the start right off the bat. He might need to build himself up and all of that. But I can guarantee you, dude, if you are passionate and you follow that passion, you will be able to monetize it. If you simply follow the money, you're going to be like these Wall Street guys that end up jumping out of buildings, okay? They follow the money. They burn themselves out very quickly. They do things that they promised themselves they'd probably never do. And that is when things become bad. So, dude, if you like something, go after it. Easiest way, the best way that you can do it. Just go after it. But you are right, man. You are right. Beyond a certain level, it does take off a lot of stress. Some of the most stressed out people are ones that are living beyond their means, meaning that they own more than they're bringing in, or their expenses are greater than their income. You got a lot of happy people, man. A lot of happy people who aren't out there making $100,000, $200,000 a year. Take it, Ken. Do you need a hacker? Yes. Ken probably does need a hacker to hack back the money that he lost there. We'll never sell it. I'm 63. Hope in 2025, Luke's worth a bit more will be a hard... Yeah, Lisbon, man. Listen, sell it at some point, though. Unless you're just really stacking up for the future, or if you're stacking up for your kids or something like that, don't be afraid to take profits, guys. Don't be afraid to take profits. Let's see. Like 3,000 right now would be awesome. I ain't even greedy. Dark Bro, I believe it, man. 3,000 could get you a pretty nice outdoor grilling setup as well, dude. You could have, I swear, every now and then, I get a little, I feel like there's a gnat landing on my head or something. So if you guys see me moving my hair like that, I'm not trying to be cool. I'm trying to see if there's a bug that landed on my head. Look at Discord. This is the wallet where my coins were transferred to. And what's in the wallet? I gotta see if I can pull up Discord. Because right now, I'm not logged into Discord. Alright, let's see if we got this. Opening Discord. I don't know if I remember the password. First try, dude. Oh my gosh. How in the world did I get that first try? Look at that. All right, supporters chat. Yeah, what do we got here? Coming down to the bottom. It's a lot of screenshots. Dang, man, that guy's holding on to $1.8 million with over 100 tokens. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know. That dude obviously robbed a lot of people if he's sitting on $1.8 million. That's weird. I gotta take profits on look. It's always staked and the price is dropping. Lisbon, that is true. I was saying if it does go up in value, you would have to unstake it. But yeah, if you're staking, man, then your staking rewards are probably gonna be where your profit needs to come from. Well, I'm screwed then, because I hate money in general and strongly dislike people. So I guess I'm in the wrong spot, dude. You are definitely not in the wrong spot. If you hate money in general, there's got to be some. Chris, man, I know that you are a very abstract thinker, okay? I know that you are a movie buff, right? I don't know if those are your passions or not. I know, dude, that going out and mowing lawns and, weeding flower beds and spreading mulch, man, I know there's very few people that are passionate about that. There are some, though, like my neighbor, man. You guys remember that old man that I was telling you about that lives next door to me? He's passionate. He's very passionate about all things like flowers and stuff like that. The dude's yard is immaculate. Some people actually really do like that stuff. But, yeah, dude, whatever it is that you're passionate about, if you find a way to pursue that, you will be able to monetize it, man. I promise. It's correct. It's hard to get $75,000, even harder to make more than I've been trying for years. My wife and I made over $500,000 in 5 years trying something different because we have, because we still have, what? We still have debt? Trying something different because we still have, debt. Debt. Gotcha. Still have debt. No, I mean, listen, Mr. Brian, it is true, dude. It is true. And I don't know, okay? There's just this mass confusion among people, too, that everybody else out there is making $100,000 or more a year. You've got to know the numbers, okay? Because when you start to compare yourself to people that are on the internet, that are only posting their wins and only posting the best, and honestly living some sort of a lie, that's not good, dude. Don't compare yourself to a lie. Compare yourself to the reality. The reality is the average household income. Okay? Now, this is not to make you feel good. This is not to make you feel bad about your current income. But the average household income in the United States is somewhere between $54,000 and $56,000. That's two incomes for a lot of households, right? Every house you see out there, the average income is $54,000 to $56,000. So for anybody that tells you that, you are making too small of an amount, it's guys, I'm telling you right now, you have to compare yourself to the realities, and you have to compare yourself to only you. If you are doing something you like, you are probably above anybody that's making $100,000. You're probably above anybody that's making $80,000 or $70,000 or whatever. If you are doing something that you enjoy doing, you are winning. So that's like the major thing you got to pursue, man, is what you guys are excited about. Everyone is saying the merge won't happen, but if it does, DWAC is going to explode. Angel, why? Why are they saying that the merge won't happen? The merge should happen, right? These guys are going to pay their $18 million fine, and then the merge should go through. So let me know, Angel, why people are saying that this merge is not going to happen. So I get a little bit better of an understanding about what the gossip is. Morning, Pudgy. Quit. Now you're on Discord. Check out Volatility. Yeah, okay, I gotta scroll back up a little bit. I did log into Discord. Let's see. All right, here we go. Trusted partner for low code payments. All right, we got platform about. Hey, is it a coin though? Or is this just a company? Yeah, I don't even see where they would have a link out to their coin. This almost seems as though it's just a private company, right? To me, this seems like it's a private company and not an actual coin or something that you can invest in. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm getting from that, just looking at the website for a minute there. Shame to have asked you, where's Ohio the other day? Cincinnati and Columbus are impossible not to know. Lisbon, yes, it is all right, man. It is all right. Don't ever worry about any question you guys ask or anything like that. Ohio is not a very well-known state, but yes, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, you guys got Cleveland, Columbus, or Cincinnati, I said Ohio, Cleveland, Columbus, you got a lot of major cities here, and, LeBron's from Ohio, you got a lot of famous people from Ohio as well. Claybro is from Ohio, so you've got Claybro, there's a lot of famous people from Ohio, right? I'm comparing Claybro to LeBron right now, guys. Think about that for a second. So I don't know the short interest on DWAC. I do not, but we could probably look it up really quick. We got Mullen Auto, DWAC. Let's see. According to Fintel, 7%. So it's not a very highly shorted stock. Hold on. Let me get rid of this junk. All right. So as you can see there on the left-hand side of the screen, the days to cover is 20 days, which is a decent amount. So 3 weeks days to cover. That's because the volume is so low right now. But only 7% short interest on DWAC. So like 10% is the average short interest, man. This is not a heavily shorted stock. Just look at it that way. You're not expecting DWAC to run up because of some sort of a short squeeze. If you're expecting DWAC to go up in value, you're expecting, I guess, Trump to bring a lot of attention to DWAC and a lot of attention to Truth Social during a potential 2024 presidential run. Right? Why do I say that? Okay. Here's one thing that you guys should consider if you are thinking about investing or doing a speculative trade in DWAC for the coming year. Not a bad idea, because by the time the year's up, by the time this election begins to take place, you guys are going to be sitting on a long-term capital gain if you're willing to hold it through 2024 there. But Trump is not on Twitter, right? Trump may have a lot of campaign locations and stuff like that. But if Trump decides, which would be a beautiful business move for him, and we know that Trump likes to make money and he's a very savvy businessman, what Trump might do is make all of his press releases and all of his correspondence go directly through Truth Social. And if that's the case, what you're going to end up seeing, CNN is not going to have any other option but to quote Truth Social postings from Donald Trump. And Fox is going to have to, MSNBC, all of these news outlets are going to have to go through Truth Social. if they want to see what Trump is announcing. So I think that if you're looking at it that way, it could be a very interesting play into and through 2024. I mean, if he decides, which, well, let's be honest, guys, he probably will, because it's going to be a huge benefit to him, too. If he decides to use Truth Social as his, like, sole and only means of contact, everybody's going to be talking about it. Everybody's going to have to use it. And people are going to want to sign up for it just because they're going to want to be, first to see what Trump has to say. So, like I said at the beginning of the live stream here, with bad AI, even if you guys don't like it, right, it does not mean that you can't make money in it. So that could be another option if you guys, even if you don't like Trump and all of that stuff, it could be another option for you to make money if you believe that that's the direction DWAC and Truth Social and Trump would go during a 2024 presidential election. So keep that in mind if you guys are interested in DWAC. It's not necessarily a short squeeze play, but it could do very well in 2024. I just want to be like the lion enjoying the day underneath the tree and no one messing with it. Yeah, Chris, man, but every now and then that lion's got to go out and hunt, man. Every now and then. Trust me when I tell you that animals, they never truly rest. They're always waiting for their next meal. Mr. Brian, it's all these stupid videos about drop shipping and other crap. It's not even about crypto or anything. Let's see. Company, anything. That's why you need... Oh, I missed something. Dark Bro. Does it really work? I can't even get a trading bot in Nevada. Dark Bro, I didn't see what you said there, but there are a ton. If you've got a 19-year-old kid telling you how that you can make $1 million online, it is going to be about Amazon, fulfillment, FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, or it's going to be about drop shipping, okay? Let me tell you this. They make the majority of their money, not FBA, but they make the majority of their money on people clicking and watching those videos on how to make money online. JJ! Oh, yeah, this is JJ, man. Who knows what time it is? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, thank you very much for 20 months of bro. JJ looking good out there, dude. 20 months of bro, man. Yes. Clay, you missed the one before that. What did I miss? Got it. Clay, honestly, I'm passionate about things, but I just want to be free. Free from people, free from the government, all the stupid laws and rules man has made up. Don't want to be the one thing, or don't want to one thing for the rest of my life. Just want to be like the lion laying under the tree. Gotcha. Chris, man, I agree, but here's the thing that I still know, and I felt very, very similar to you for a very long time, all right? You guys, in my past life, before you ever knew me on YouTube, right, I did wake up every morning, sometimes in the middle of the night, sometimes I went to work. Every day. I clocked in, I clocked out. I did all of that. And you know what? It was still, the overall industry was still something that I was very passionate about, something that I was very interested in. But when you find yourself, bringing value to others instead of truly following your individual passion or building yourself up in more of an entrepreneurial way and stuff like that, it tears at a lot of people. It truly does. So, Chris, man, here's what I gotta say. Every, difficult day you're going through right now, you are learning something. Whether you're learning what you hate to do, whether you're learning how to not treat people, whether you're learning how, what absolutely stifles your ambition and your passion and your drive, you will be able to use every bad day, every good day that you are currently having to shape the future that you want, man. It's not wasted time. But eventually, if you are uncomfortable in the position that you're currently in, eventually it will be time for you to take a step forward, maybe a leap of faith, whatever you want to call it, and, move on to your next chapter, man. So don't miss that opportunity when it does come. You guys use Kujira for DeFi. I have not used Kujira, man. Elon Musk is being trained by George St. Pierre. UFC champ Zuckerberg is already a jiu-jitsu champion. Oh, God. We're talking about the cage match or whatever it is between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg there. Nice. Who you guys got on that one, man? Musk or Zuck? Musk or Zuck? I want to know. What's the crack, bro? What's the crack, Connor? How you doing, man? What's the crack? Isn't that what's up in Ireland? Is that what that is? Sam Demand number 4 is good for make Q3 play today. Sam Demand number 4. What is going on, dude? Q3 play today. Let's check it out, man. I don't know if you're in or not, but here's what I'm noticing, okay? Pretty stagnant action over the last hour, trying to get back up. Where are we at here in terms of daily? So we are right here. You can see double tapping this level of resistance. I don't know if you're trying to make simply an intraday play today, or if you're trying to make a swing trade that lasts a couple days, but it's always difficult when you are approaching a level of resistance like we are right now. Sam, if the Q3 breaks out of this 370 to 372, it's almost at 372, right, where the level of resistance is. If the Q3 breaks out of this and we begin to hit some new fresh highs, it is going to or should run nicely higher, potentially all the way up, man, all the way up to some all-time highs. We might get held up at 386, but then we're testing 400, dude, and we are back to all-time highs in the stock market. So if it does not, I'd expect to pull back possibly back down here to 356. So watch this very closely. Know that we are double tapping resistance and potentially bouncing off of that resistance level. A very nice rally this morning, but we do seem to be pulling back right now. I don't know what direction you're thinking about playing them. It's always crucial when you're right at that turning point. If you get it wrong, you're going to be losing some money. So just keep that in mind, man, that we are right there at a very crucial level of resistance, potentially bouncing off of it. It's your McCat Chrome, but I don't care. Long time no see, bro, and yes, it is. Connor, gotcha, and glad you're in here, man. Hello, bro. What do you think about the new project of Dogelan's stablecoin? Manager, I have not seen Dogelan's stablecoin. I'll say this. If it's an algorithmic stablecoin, just be very, very critical, okay? Terra Luna Classic had a great algorithmic stablecoin in USTC, but we know what happened with that. If somebody, look, I don't care if it's bad, okay? If somebody sees the opportunity to make even $100,000 by exploiting an algorithm, they will do it. Imagine if Dogelan it gets a couple $1 million valuation on their stablecoin, or a $100 million, whatever it is. If somebody can exploit it, they will. So just be very careful with that. Have you looked into Pulse Chain? JT the Barbarian, or Jay the Barbarian, sorry. I've not looked into Pulse Chain, but I do know a lot of people love Hex, a lot of people love Pulse Chain, and a lot of people love, what's the guy's name? Brian? Ken, you know way too much about income. Just kidding. But you do sign the check. There you go, guys. Afternoon, bros and broettes. Tony, what's going on? Tony D, man, glad to have you. Tony, what's correct? Yeah, so can for the hope, bro. Absolutely. Sam Demand. Sam, I hope you make some money, man. If you do end up playing the Q3 there, I hope you make some money on it. Yo, Tony D, next level Connor. Oh, you guys, love to see you guys in here. Wow, I lost today. I thought today was the 4th. Roulette wheel! Yesterday was the 4th, man. Today is the 5th. If you did not hear all of the fireworks going off surrounding your house yesterday, I have no idea where you live, because, dude, they were shooting cannons off over here, man. It was ridiculous yesterday. Guys, so many assistants and 12 likes. What? Oh my gosh, guys. Click the like button, man. What are you doing? Click the like button. You can help me here. Hey, by the DWAC going back to 100. I hope you guys stream together soon. Hey, you know what? DWAC could go back to 100, but I don't know if it's going to get there overnight, right? I think it is a possibility. If it follows the like if it follows that game plan that I was talking, I think that that's the best sustainable path higher for DWAC, is if Trump wants to create some value for his business and he puts all of his press releases through his Truth Social account, as opposed to using Twitter, or as opposed to, you know, Twitter's ridiculous in the sense that it's got many, many, many more viewers. But if people know he's running and they want to see his campaign, you know, all of the news articles are going to have to draw off Truth Social and quote Truth Social. So it could be a decent strategy for him to take that route. Yes, we'll play the Q3. Thank you, Sam Demand. Let us know how it goes, dude. So Kachuba has a stable coin, USK. It's 160% collateralized by assets like ARB, Ethereum, Luna, etc. They are actually Terra Luna builders who split after the crash. Oh, interesting. Aru. So I did not know that, man. Later, bros. Have an awesome day. Catch you later. Almost every single IMP chain on Cosmos is X-Terra. Yeah, dude. There's a lot of X-Terra coins out there. Good to see you, Salmon Man. Heck yeah, Little Potato Chips. Guys, it is 101. The live streams go way too fast. I appreciate every single person being in here. We are going to get off for right now. Enjoy your afternoons. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your work. Whatever you guys got to enjoy it. But get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Connor Green, man, shout out to you, and what's the crack to you as well. Sam Demand, enjoy your day. Dark Bro, see you later, man. Tony D, Next Level, Lisbon, enjoy your day, man. Angel, see you later. Tony D, Sam Demand, Aruba Sue, Sam Demand, Lemon Lust, Aruba Sue. Dark Bro, enjoy your enjoy your morning. It's still morning for you, Dark Bro. Next Level, enjoy it. Tony D, Next Level. Sarah, thank you as well. Kennedy's Crazy Polls, baby. Oh, yes. Angel, see you later. Old Rounder Bro, enjoy your day. Aruba Sue, hope you all have an awesome day. Jennifer, you already know what it is. Tony D, man, enjoy it. J-Bones, deuces to you, man. Aruba Sue, you are on fire. Mr. Brian, Sam the man, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.